Hi, welcome to the SUNY Adirondack Library's tutorial on how to find streaming videos, like documentaries. Let's try a subject like college students. So we'll type it in, then just go here to videos. It does a search. We found 185 results. If you'd like to, you can add a second subject with advanced search. You can limit by publication date and other limiters over here. Let's take a look down through the list we have and click one that looks interesting. There it is. Okay, here's your title, here's your date, there's the citation that you can use for your research paper. Over here, you can email the link back to yourself if you want to look at it later. Down here, here are the subjects that it covers. Here's a short description of the video. And way down here are the links to the video itself. So if you just click that Films on Demand link, it brings you into our Films on Demand database. And here's your video. Just so you know, you can embed these links in a presentation if you'd like, just a short segment of it. And it has more information about the video right there. If you have any questions, just ask a reference librarian. Thanks.